How to add or change the phone number on your TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add the phone number or change it. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. Now go to those three lines right here and choose the settings option right here down below, and then you will have many options right here, but you have to choose the first one. After that, you need to click on phone number, and now you can add the phone number and choose the country that you have from here in easy, fast way, and click send code and confirm it, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end.